You ever wonder how we hear? Well, let's go to some basic high school anatomy for a refresher. Here's our outer ear right here. Sound comes in and it travels through the outer ear canal. Once it comes here, that sound will vibrate the tympanic membrane or the eardrum. It's literally like a drum. The vibrations of that drum will then go towards the malleus, the incus, and then the stapes. Those are the three middle ear bones. When the stapes is vibrated, it'll go into a window known as the oval window. And when it goes into that, it'll push the fluid within the cochlea. The cochlea is this snail-shaped organ right here. When that fluid is moved, some hair cells in the cochlea will move. And that hair cell movement will send a signal to the 8th cranial nerve or the hearing nerve. That nerve will go to your brain and then you can hear. In another video, we go over the two types of hearing loss, conductive hearing loss or nerve hearing loss. Check out that video as well. For more content like this, please like or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.